In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change folder colors in Google Drive. Color coding folders in Google Drive is a quick way to spot what you need at a glance, group-related projects, and cut down on search time. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can set up a clean, visual system that works for you. First, log into Google Drive. Open your browser, go to the Drive homepage, and sign in with your account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. This ensures your changes are saved to your account and available wherever you access Drive. Next, go to your Drive. From the left sidebar, open the main section where your folders live. This is typically My Drive, but if you organize work in other areas, you can navigate there as well. Take a moment to decide which folders would benefit most from a color update. High priority projects, ongoing clients, or personal versus work files are great places to start. Now right-click on the folder you want to edit. A menu will appear with options specific to that folder. Right-clicking is the fastest way to access the folder settings without opening it. If you accidentally open the folder, just go back and right-click the folder icon instead. From the menu, go to Organize. This is where Drive gathers layout and visual options for that folder. You'll see a color option inside this area. Depending on the interface version you're using, it may appear directly as a color choice or within the Organize panel. Either way, you're in the right place when you see the palette. Finally, select the color you want to use. Click a color that matches your system, maybe red for urgent items, blue for reference, or green for completed work. The change applies immediately, and you'll see the folder icon switch to that color. This update is a personal view setting, so it doesn't rename or move the folder, and it won't affect other people's views unless they choose their own color on their account. If you change your mind later, you can repeat the same steps and pick a new color or switch back to the default gray. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your palette simple so it remains meaningful over time. Use bold colors for must-see folders and lighter tones for less urgent ones. If you don't see the change right away on another device, give it a moment to sync. And remember, you can color code as many folders as you like to keep your workspace clear and consistent. That's it, simple, fast, and incredibly helpful for staying organized in Google Drive.